Hey, real quick, have you ever sat down to create an ebook or lead magnet and just hit a wall? You know, it'll help grow your list, build your brand, maybe even bring in some extra income. But the writing, the formatting, the design, it feels like a full-time job, right? It's like having this great idea locked in your head, but no easy way to get it out and into the world. And let's be honest, who has time these days to mess with clunky design tools, overpriced freelancers, or endless formatting errors? Well, what if I told you there's a tool that lets you create a beautiful, professional ebook in under 60 seconds? Stick around, because in this video, I'm diving deep into Sqribble, the fastest, easiest way to design ebooks, white papers, and reports without needing a designer or writing from scratch. It's not just a tool. For many of us building an online business, it's a lifeline. Hey, it's Steve here. Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, I help people over 40 turn their passions, skills, and life experience into powerful online businesses without the fluff, without the overwhelm. Today, I'm walking you through one of the most underrated tools out there for digital creators. Whether you're building a personal brand, growing an email list, or finally creating that digital product you've had in your head for years, Sqribble makes it simple, affordable, and fast. Let's jump in. So what exactly is Sqribble? In a nutshell, it's a cloud-based ebook design and publishing tool. You log in, pick a template, add your content, hit publish, and boom, you've got a polished ebook ready to go. And here's the thing, there's no software to download. It works right inside your browser. So whether you're on your laptop at home or your tablet at a coffee shop, you can get your work done on the go. You don't need design experience. You don't need expensive software. And best of all, you don't need weeks of back and forth with a freelancer who doesn't understand your vision. Now let me break down what makes this tool so powerful. First up, templates. You get 50 professionally designed templates covering 15 different niches. And these aren't just cookie cutter designs. They're clean, modern, and built to convert readers into subscribers or buyers. Then, instant content. This is huge. You can import content from any URL, upload a Word doc, or even tap into Sqribble's built-in library of over 1,000 pre-written articles. So if your writing isn't your thing, you're covered. The drag and drop editor is simple and smooth. You can tweak layouts, move images, adjust fonts, change colors. It's as flexible as you want it to be. It really gives you the feel of designing like a pro without needing to know a thing about design. And when you're ready to go, just hit generate, and you've got a downloadable professional quality PDF ready to share with your audience. But let's talk about the real world benefits. If you're an online entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, content creator, or even a coach, you need high value content to attract, engage, and convert. And Sqribble delivers. You can build lead magnets, digital downloads, free reports, paid ebooks, whatever your funnel needs. Think about it. How much time and money do people waste hiring a freelancer to create just one ebook? $200? $500? Sometimes more. With Sqribble, you get the job done in minutes without the headache. And if you want to offer this as a service, you're covered there too. Sqribble comes with a full commercial license and even a built-in agency website you can use to get clients. This alone can open up an entirely new income stream. You can start charging $100 to $300 per ebook creation job and keep all the profit. All right, let's talk numbers. The standard version of Sqribble is a one-time payment, not monthly. That means no subscriptions draining your wallet. And yes, there are 4 optional upgrades if you want to go deeper. The first upgrade Sqribble Professional adds 150 more templates for even more variety. The second upgrade, Sqribble Prime. New templates added monthly so your content stays fresh. Third upgrade, Fantasia 3D adds 3D cover designs and flipbook functionality. And the fourth upgrade, Auto Job Finder, helps you find freelance ebook gigs across the web. To be clear, you don't need these upgrades to succeed with Sqribble. But if you plan to scale or offer services, they can absolutely enhance your value. Okay, let me give you the quick hits. The pros first. Super easy to use, incredible design quality, huge variety of templates and niches, built-in content engine saves time, and it includes commercial rights and agency site. The cons, some of the coolest features like 3D covers are behind upsells. There's a learning curve for total beginners, but way easier than traditional design tools. So here's my final take. Sqribble is a total game changer for anyone building a business online, especially if you're over 40 and want to simplify your tech skills while still looking professional and polished. You can use it to grow your list, create digital products, attract freelance clients, or even start an agency. For a one-time price, that's less than what most people pay for a single ebook template. Sqribble delivers serious value. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or just wanted an easier way to get your knowledge out of your head and into the hands of your audience, this is it. If you're ready to create stunning ebooks in under 60 seconds and start building your business with speed and style, click the link in the description and try Sqribble for yourself. Smash that like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe for more no-fluff tips on building your online business after 40. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Sqribble or want to see it in action. Thanks for watching. You've got this. I'll see you in the next video.